Welcome to UTrada. In this video, we'll guide you step by step through the process of registering and verifying your account so that you can start trading with confidence. Let's begin by filling out the link towards UTrada. Once you have entered this page, click Join Now or Start Trading to proceed to the registration page. Once you are in the registration page, start by filling out the registration form. Enter your first name, last name with the language used on your identity document. Then select your country of residence and provide a valid email address and phone number. Choose your preferred language and check the box to accept the risk disclosure. Then click Register. After registering, you'll be taken to the UTrada portal dashboard. Your profile status will show as not verified. To proceed, click Upload Now to begin the verification process. Then click Add New Document to enter sums up and click Continue to begin. If you're not a US resident, select all countries except USA. Now, choose how you'd like to verify. You can continue on your current device or switch to your mobile phone by scanning the QR code or punching in the link provided to you after clicking Continue on phone. Now, choose the issuing country of your identity document and choose the document type and click Continue once you are ready. And now, you are about to upload a colored photo or file of your passport. If you'd like to take a photo, make sure it is conducted in a well-lit room and do not edit images of your document. If you wish to take a photo, please allow camera access once it's prompted. Click Upload Document if you are wishing to upload a file from your laptop. Click Upload Document if you are wishing to upload a file from your laptop. And click Continue once you are ready. And after uploading your ID, you'll be asked to confirm your proof of address. This can be a valid ID document with address details, bank documents from within the past 3 months, utility bills from within the past 3 months, or government-issued documents. Next, we'll ask a few questions to better understand your account purpose and background. Start by selecting your preferred language once again, then click Continue, and now provide your occupation and employer name. After that, please provide your gross annual income and estimated net worth. Now, tell us about your source of funds, whether it's from salary or savings, etc. And choose your account purpose, like speculative trading or capital growth, etc. And at last, the tax identification number is only required for US traders only. And once you are completed, click Continue to proceed. Finally, please read the Acknowledgement by Client page carefully, and once that's done, tick the box. And now your profile has been successfully verified. And you can now access your dashboard and your deposit funds, open accounts, and you can now start trading. If you need any help, feel free to reach out to our support team anytime. And thank you for choosing UTrada, your trusted partner in trading.